If there's one such car that is very popular in the Indian market among the kids and the adults, then it is the Maruti Swift. It is so popular that in the year 2020, it became the best-selling hatchback. Yes, that's right. And its new avatar, Maruti, has made three major changes. The first being the mechanical change, the second, addition of features to compete with the rivals, and the third, well, it is some of the exterior highlights which does not make much of a difference, but then yes, they are there. We have covered everything related to Swift, and in this video I'll be showcasing you which variant of the Maruti Swift is your better buy. So stay tuned and watch this video. Maruti Suzuki Swift is offered in four variants: LXi, VXi, ZXi and ZXi Plus. The AMT version starts from the VXi 8 wheels and goes all the way to the ZXi Plus. In the LXi variant, which is also known as the base variant, the price starts from Rs 5.73 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. It comes with ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, high-speed alert system, dual airbags, manual AC, 12-volt power outlet, internally adjustable ORVMs, black color scheme for outdoor and indoor door handles, 14-inch steel wheels with 165 by 80 dimension. But is it the value for money variant? No, it is not, as it does not even provide the basic comfort and creature comforts. So let's move on to the VXi one, which is also known as the mid-spec variant of the Swift, and see what it has to offer. The VXi variant of the Maruti Swift is priced at Rs 6.36 lakh ex-showroom Delhi, and it is Rs 63,000 more than the LXi. Let's see what it gets. In this variant, you get central locking, power windows, rear parcel tray, speed sensing door lock, vanity mirrors on the co-driver, anti-glare mirrors, pockets behind the front seat, one touch-down driver's side power window, electrically adjustable ORVM, turn indicators on ORVM, body-colored exterior door handles, chrome door handles on the inside, tachometer, integrated 2-DIN music system with Bluetooth and aux connectivity, 4 speakers and steering mounted controls. So VXi is the variant that you can pick if you are high on a budget, and this provides the basic comfort and creature comfort. However, if you want the convenience factor more, then you can always choose the VXi AMT, which comes with hill hold control, gear indicator and ESP. The price for this is Rs 6.86 lakh, and it is Rs 50,000 expensive than the VXi manual one. Now let's say that you are not someone who is looking for a car on a budget and want to explore more options. Well, Maruti has got you covered, as it also offers the third variant, which is also known as the ZXi. Let's see what it gets. The ZXi comes with keyless entry, automatic climate control, two-way adjustable headrests for second row, 60:40 split rear seats, one touch up driver side window, auto foldable ORVMs, rear defogger, rear wiper, fog lights, touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 6 speakers, push button start stop, voice command, leather wrap steering wheel and 15-inch alloy wheels with 185 by 65 dimension. The price for this sticks with Rs 6.99 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. And I'll tell you one thing, that if you want to splurge more money on your car, then this is the value for money variant you can place your bet on. When compared with the VXi, the ZXi variant costs Rs 63,000 more. Now comes the top of the line ZXi Plus, which comes with all the bells and whistles. Let's check out what it gets. Cruise control, reverse camera, LED DRLs, LED projector headlights, automatic headlights and follow me home headlight function are some of the features that the ZXi Plus gets. Now it is priced at Rs 7.77 lakh, and to be honest, it is Rs 78,000 expensive than the ZXi. You decide for yourself if these are the features that you are looking for, or you are happy with the ZXi variant which turned out to be the value for money one. However, the budget one VXI is also our choice. If you're not satisfied with the ZXi Plus also and want to stand out from the crowd, then you can always pick the ZXi Plus dual tone one that is available with manual as well as automatic. The price for the dual tone manual sticks with rupees 7.91 lakh, and for the AMT it is priced at rupees 8.41 lakh. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to 91 Wheels, and also you can be a part of our exclusive 91 Wheels Telegram group, and the link to that is in the description box below. You can ask any of your queries and we'll answer that in just few hours. So keep watching 91 Wheels and do subscribe.